Brushes of genius. In a sunny land called Italy, long ago, lived two great artists. Their names were Leonardo and Michelangelo. They painted and sculpted beautiful things that we still love today. Leonardo was a painter with a curious mind. He painted a famous picture of a woman with a secret smile. Her name was Mona Lisa. People who see the Mona Lisa wonder what she is thinking. Her eyes seem to follow you, and her smile is a little bit magic. Leonardo also painted a big picture called The Last Supper. It shows Jesus and his friends sharing a meal at a long table. But Leonardo wasn't just a painter, he was also an inventor. He drew pictures of flying machines and boats that could go under the water. Michelangelo was younger than Leonardo. He was a fantastic sculptor. He could turn a block of stone into a person who looked real. One of his most famous statues is David. It is a big, strong statue of a young hero from a famous story. Michelangelo also painted a very special ceiling in a church. It was called the Sistine Chapel. He painted many stories on the ceiling. It was hard work and took a very long time. But when it was finished, it was beautiful. The paintings and statues of Leonardo and Michelangelo are still in museums today. They show us the amazing things that people can create with their hands and their hearts.